to the invocation.
Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering us all today in this important endeavor. We ask that you bestow your guidance and blessing upon each attendee. May we honor one another by keeping an open mind. May we voice our truth and listen with an open heart. Bless everyone present today, that each may be able to share his or her contributions and gifts. Grant good health and safety to loved ones left outside this room, and bestow peace and goodwill to all of us. We ask for your wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment of others. May the various activities related to this day be a success through your intervention. With gratitude, we offer this prayer in your name. Amen.
Okay, now I'll sing. Again, good morning. Presiding for today's activity is the chairperson of the Bids and Awards Committee, Engineer Neil L. Macareg. Good morning, sir.
Morning, everyone, and to our Assistant Director, Attorney Vincent Bartolome. Good morning, sir, for attending this back activity today. This meeting is now called to order. Back Secretariat kindly confirm if we have a quorum.
The BAC Secretariat confirms the existence of a quorum. And in this regard, first, before we start, allow the body to greet our Assistant Director. Good morning. Good morning. Mr. Chair, I would like to state the names of those who are in attendance. Besides the presiding officer, Engineer Neil Macareg, we have the Vice Chairperson, Engineer Benedict M. Cabral. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
The regular members of the BAC, Engineer Benedict J. Sagon. Good morning, sir. Miss Letelin C. Samosa. Good morning, ma'am. Miss Sofia M. Badelaran. Good morning, ma'am. Not in attendance is Mr. Napoleon Gonzalez. Our provisional member is Miss Myralyn P. Soriano. Good morning, ma'am. Also in attendance, Mr. Chair, are the following members of the Technical Working Group, headed by Miss Alfie Delia Esperlado. Good morning. The Assistant Head, Miss Rochelle Ann B. Palapal. Good morning, ma'am. Mr. Paul Clen Erico Bitampok, Miss Jaya Piches L. Galban. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Mr. Andrew Panganiban. Good morning, sir. Mr. Adrian Patrick J. Andal and Miss Aprilyn P. Burgos. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Back Secretariat. With quorum duly established, kindly state the order of business.
Mr. Chair, we're going to tackle the following. At 9:30, opening of bids and evaluation and bid evaluation of lease of one lot various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services under NPO BAC File 0003-26 with an ABC of 5,500,000 pesos. At 10:30 a.m., lease of one lot various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services under NPO BAC File 005-26 with an ABC of 200 million pesos. At 1:30 this afternoon, lease of one lot various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services under NPO BAC File 006-26 with an ABC of 5 million pesos. At 2:30, Mr. Chair, is lease of one lot various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables, with provision of technical support and services under NPO Backfile 0010-26 with an ABC of 213,500,000 pesos. After that, Mr. Chair, we've lined up 3 post-qualification report presentation. Lease of one lot various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services through framework agreement under NPO Backfile 007-26 with an ABC of 50 million pesos. Then lease of one lot various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services through framework agreement under NPO Backfile 009-26 with an ABC of 219 million. Again, lease of one lot various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services through framework agreement under NPO Backfile 008-26 with an ABC of 5 million pesos. The first that we're going to undertake this morning is the opening of bids for lease of one lot various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services under NPO Backfile 003-26 with an ABC of 5,500,000. Mr. Chair, sino yung nagsabi? Tesoros Printing Press submitted its bid this morning at on May 14, 2026 at 9:55 p.m. However, its representative is not around. So, in this regard, may I request that the general rules be presented in the video?
The presentation of general rules, we would like just to recognize the one representative also coming from the Office of the Assistant Director, Attorney Elaine Ansa. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes.
Proceed to the presentation of general rules.
General Rules. During the conference, all participants are expected to follow the general rules to ensure an orderly proceeding. Participants are requested to arrive on time. Bidders' authorized representatives who are physically present at the venue shall register and sign the official attendance sheet, while those participating through online platforms must indicate in the chat box their company name, company address, authorized representatives, email, and contact numbers. Proper meeting decorum must be observed at all times. Participants are required to keep their mobile phones on silent mode, observe courtesy and professionalism, and raise their hand if they wish to speak, waiting to be recognized by the presiding officer before doing so. All questions should be relevant to the subject matter being discussed, and unauthorized recording of the proceedings is strictly prohibited. Failure to comply with these rules may result in consequences, including a warning for minor violations or removal from the conference in cases of serious or repeated violations.
Miss Ira, and Mr. Jasper and Sir King are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Presenting to you the bid submitted by R.O. Tesoro and Sons Incorporated, received again last May 14, 2026. They submitted mother envelope properly marked, signed and sealed. Mr. Chair, may we proceed in the opening of the mother envelope?
Proceed.
Inside the mother envelope is the technical and financial envelope of R.O. Tesoro and Sons, properly marked, signed and sealed, both financial and technical. The financial envelope will be turned over to the bank chairman until such time that the bidder is declared eligible for the opening. May we proceed in the opening of the technical envelope?
Please open without any delay.
First requirement submitted by the bidder is their certificate of PhilJobs registration, platinum membership, issued on April 19, 2026, valid until April 19, 2027. Under their Annex A, SEC certificate, registration date, December 3, 1965, mayor's permit expiration date, December 31, 2026, tax clearance expiration date, July 1, 2026, audited financial statement, date of filing, May 5, 2026, pickup license not applicable. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is the singular just completed contract under COMELEC Region 11, date of contract January 11, 2022, kind of goods printing of BIS forms, voters information sheet, amount of contract 16,617,983 pesos and 20 cents. Date of delivery April 20, 2022, with attached certificate of compliance with invoice number 10852, OR number 099754, signed by Ms. Linda C. Tesoro, dated April 30, 2026. Showing you the attached billing invoice. And official receipt. And also the certificate of compliance from COMELEC. Yeah, certificate of compliance. The bidder also submitted their statement of all ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started. They have one contract under government and one contract under private, with total value of outstanding contracts of 7,155,900 pesos, signed again by Ms. Linda C. Tesoro. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their net financial contracting capacity with total NFCC of 221,279,925 pesos. Signed again by Ms. Linda C. Tesoro. The bidder submitted their notarized bid securing declaration dated May 6, 2026, signed by Ms. Linda C. Tesoro, notarized by Attorney Elizabeth F. Kitain Salvo, with MCLE compliance number 8. The bidder also submitted their conformity with the technical specifications under Section 6, Section 7, and Supplemental Bid Bulletin, if any.
Ma'am Ira, kindly read the documents what you are presenting on the screen. Kasi on record po tayo.
Under Section 6, the framework agreement list,
Including the bid bulletin.
signed by Ms. Linda C. Tesoro, dated April 30, 2026. Also, the bidder stated their compliance on our supplemental bid bulletin dated May 11, 2026. Also signed again by Ms. Linda C. Tesoro, dated May 12, 2026. Last. And again, under technical specification, the bidder stated their compliance duly signed again by Ms. Linda C. Tesoro, dated April 30, 2026. The bidder also attached various documents for post-qualification po under the additional requirements on Section 7. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their omnibus sworn statement. Again, duly signed by Ms. Linda C. Tesoro, dated May 6, 2026, by the same notary public. Last requirement is the Secretary's Certificate authorizing Ms. Linda C. Tesoro and Mr. Noel T. Tamayo as the authorized representative for the said project, dated May 6, 2026, duly signed by the Assistant Secretary Anthony A. Tesoro. And again, was notarized by the same notary public. Mr. Chair, that concludes our presentation for the technical requirements.
Thank you, Ma'am Ira. TWG for the observation and recommendation.
Upon examination of the required contents of the technical component envelope, specifically the valid and updated PhilJEP certificate of registration, platinum membership, including Annex A, original and duly signed statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract with attached official receipt, original and duly signed computation of net financial contracting capacity, original and duly signed statement of all its ongoing government and private contracts, original copy of duly notarized bid securing declaration, conformity with the technical specifications under Section 6 and 7 of the bidding documents, including supplemental bid bulletin, original and duly signed omnibus sworn statement, and original and notarized secretary's certificate, submitted by R.O. Tesoro and Sons Incorporated. The technical working group finds the submission complete. We respectfully recommends that the committee proceed with the opening of its financial component envelope.
The TWG's recommendation is now before the body. Any motion from the members of the BAC?
I move to adopt the recommendation made by the Technical Working Group, Mr. Chair.
I second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, the recommendation is hereby adopted. Please proceed to the opening of the financial component envelope.
Again, Mr. Chair, may we proceed in the opening of the financial component envelope properly signed and sealed by the bidder.
As stated earlier, please proceed.
Mr. Chair, the bidder submitted 5 pages financial bid envelope, financial requirements, all properly signed by the bidder. Showing the bid offer submitted by the bidder amounting to 5,500,000 pesos. And the price schedule, same as the amount offered, 5,500,000 pesos. Mr. Chair, that concludes our presentation on the bid coming from RO Tesoro and Sons Incorporated.
Before I may ask the TWG for the further observation and recommendation, I just want to state that the documents that we are checking on the financial documents is just 2 documents. Sometimes we check documents that are no longer necessary. Like, present nyo pa rin yung ano yun, anong tawag dyan? Six-cert, pero kahit nawala ng signature yon, tuloy tayo. Kasi ang requirement lang ay 2 lang. Yun lagi ang titignan ninyo, yung 2 na requirements. Okay. Please take note of that. Okay, TWG for the observation and recommendation.
Upon examination of the required contents of the financial component envelope submitted by RO Tesoro and Sons Incorporated, specifically the original and duly signed and accomplished financial bid form and original of duly signed accomplished price schedule, the TWG finds the submission complete and compliant with the requirements. Accordingly, the TWG respectfully recommends the formal acceptance of the financial proposal and further recommends that the bid be considered for bid evaluation to determine its calculated price.
The TWG's recommendation is now before the body in motion from the members of the bar.
I move to adopt the recommendation made by the Technical Working Group, Mr. Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, the recommendation is hereby adopted. The TWG is instructed to proceed for the bid evaluation.
Mr. Chair, pending the bid evaluation that will be undertaken by the TWG, the BACSEC respectfully recommends the suspension of the proceedings for 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes suspended.
Mr. Chair, in this regard, may I request that may I request the official resumption of the proceedings and the recognition of Ms. Rochelle Andy Pelapal as presenter, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The Technical Working Group would like to present to the body the bid evaluation report for the project lease of one lot, various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services under identification number NPO-BEC-FAL-003-26. Based on the result of the bid evaluation as presented in this report, the bid submitted by R.O. Tesoro and Sons Incorporated in the amount of 5,500,000 pesos for the project lease of one lot, various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services under identification number NPO-BAC-FAL-003-26 was found to be mathematically correct, with the total bid as read being consistent with the total calculated bid. In accordance with RA number 12009 and its implementing rules and regulations, the Technical Working Group hereby recommends that R.O. Tesoro and Sons Incorporated be declared as the single calculated bid and that its bid be subjected to post-qualification for the purpose of verifying, validating, and ascertaining the truthfulness, authenticity, and sufficiency of all documents submitted in support of its bid. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Ms. Palapal. The TWG recommends that R.O. Tesoro and Sons Incorporation be declared as the single calculated bid and that their bid be subjected to post-qualification. Any motion from the members of the BAC?
Mr. Chair, I move to adopt the recommendation.
An objection? Hearing none, the recommendation is hereby adopted. The BAC Secretariat, please prepare the necessary letter to R.O. Tesoro and Sons Incorporation to submit their post-qualification documents.
Duly noted, Mr. Chair.